Brandon, you got one more behind you. The little one. Unless you want that car.
Olaf is so cute.
Corner of the couch. You just covered it up.
Look how squishy Olaf is.
Hey.
Hey, did you check your text message?
Look how squishy
No.
Olaf is.
Are you?
Oh. He's opening his present.
Look how cute this is.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Bye.
Look who.
What is it?
Is he so cute? Look, I got Olaf. You see, I got Olaf. I don't have it. He's sticky. You wanna see?
Yeah.
You
What is
see?
it, Brandon? What does it say?
They're bees.
What? They're beads?
Yes. I don't have Olaf. Let's see what